Hello everyone. I am an intern working in the Lexus and company, and I am going to present on the topic capital punishment. Capital punishment is also known as the death penalty, and it is the execution of an offender for the execution in the terms of death uh, done by the court of law for committing a grievous uh, criminal offense. Capital punishment should be distinguished by the extrajudicial execution, which is done without the due process of law. And surprisingly, 108 countries has abolished currently the death penalty for all kinds of crimes. So the capital punishment in India is a legal punishment, and it is permissible for the crimes under the uh, substantive penal legislation, which is the IPC 1860, as well as other laws. Under the IPC, the death penalty is reserved for the gravest of offences, such as criminal conspiracy, mutiny, ransom, rape, murder, and the criminal conspiracy, which is the war against the government, is the most heinous and gravest of the offence under the IPC. So the question is the capital punishment good? So the death penalty makes it possible. Sets an example for the other criminals to not commit such kind of crime again. Sets a fear inside them, and executing someone who has done the worst of the crime against the mankind safeguards the rest of the society uh, uh, for the future prospects. And there is an argument against such topic, that is it really effective to uh, grant capital punishment. So punishment is only effective or deterrent in cases if it is done frequently for the said offences. And in India, it is seen that the such gravest offences also take years of hearing, and after that, after the years of hearings and arguments, it is the they are given the death penalty, which is not really effective to set an example. So, is death penalty morally right? Um I'll say capital punishment does not take away the right to life of an offender, because the offender has already violated the right by committing the crime against the other person, taking away the other person's right. So it is morally justified to treat a murderer or some grave offender to punish in the same manner, in the most gravest manner, in order to produce a good effect on the society. So, what does the holy books say about the capital punishment, and what was the history of the capital punishment? In the Greek and Roman times, the offenses such as murder, uh, blasphemy, and adultery were given the punishment of death penalty. And what does the holy book says about the Bible, about the capital punishment? The capital punishment is was permissible in Bible and Islam. The Bible clearly states that whoever strikes a man in such manner that it causes death shall be also put to the death. The Bible was in favor for the death penalty of murder, and also, but it also uh, offers death penalty for 35 other crimes, which no longer serves as death penalty in today's time. Also in Islam, the Sharia law states that the gravest of offenses such as rape, adultery, should be rewarded with capital punishment. But there are many religion uh, like Hinduism and Buddhism which practice the path of non-violence in any manner and opposes killing. So thank you. This is it for my presentation.